We all recognize the mild, spiced, strong flavor of the mustard greens in one of the popular Punjabi cuisine, the sarson da saag, served with sweet and chewy makke di roti. Not only in the northern India, but in many places of the world, the mustard greens are cooked in various forms and styles and are considered tasty and healthy. Hi everyone, and welcome back to one more video of All Lite Food, the food goodies. And let's know a few reasons that makes the mustard greens one of the healthiest green leafy vegetable. So the mustard greens are a very good source of vitamin A, bone building vitamin K, and immune boosting vitamin C. The mustard greens are also excellent source of minerals like calcium, phosphorus, potassium. The mustard greens also contain the magnesium. The mustard greens are high in fiber and also packed with phytonutrients, which helps in disease prevention. The mustard greens contain antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties and detoxifies the blood and liver. These green leafy vegetable helps to keep the bone strong and healthy, as well as improve the health of skin, eyes, liver and heart. The mustard greens helps to boost the immunity and prevents diseases. They also help to lower the diabetes and cholesterol level. The high fiber content helps to manage the body weight. So thank you so much for watching All Lite Food. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so that you get notified every time there is an update. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section below. And for health related articles, please visit my blog at www.being-foodie.com. I shall see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy.